Hello, this is Hatka. Now let me show you how to operate this torque tester, ND-0. Before the operation, we have to check the ambient conditions of this laboratory. First, the temperature should be 23 degrees minus and plus 2 degrees. And the humidity, the relative humidity should be 50% minus and plus 10%. And then the voltage should be single phase, 220 volt, 10%. The fluctuation should be within 10%. Okay, now let's check the voltage with this multimeter. You can see the voltage is 220 to 3. Okay, the fluctuation is lower than 3 volt. Then check the grounding wire. Check the voltage between N and E. Okay, you can see the voltage is 4.7, 4.6. This voltage should be lower than 8 volt. If this voltage is more than 50 or around 50 or more than 100, that means there is no grounding wire. That's harmful for this tester. So we have to make sure the wire should have grounding wire. Okay. Then let's insert this power cord. Insert it. Switch on tester. Okay. We have two fixtures, two kind of fixtures. This fixture is used to fix the square for the square samples, and these 4 posts are used to fix the round samples, like bottles like this. If it is square bottles, we can use this fixture to fix it. Okay. Now let's test this round bottle. When we switch on tester, screen will show like this. This is the LCD screen. Our LCD screen. This is control panel. Reset, setup, save. This button change. Calibration mode. Delete, test. We use this hand wheel to clamp sample. Okay. And at the rear side, this one is COM port. This one is safety fuse. You have 3 spare ones. 3 ampere safety fuse. Power port, power switch. Okay. This at the left side, this is the micro printer. And at the right side, this is the label from Lovethink. And you can see the serial number, the serial number 1232 serial number, and the model ND--20. Okay. Now first let me show you how to set the parameters. Okay. Let's switch on it. Press setup. After we press it up, the first parameter 0. There means test mode. We have two modes. FL means locking force test, and we can press this button, change it to FH. FH means opening force mode, opening force test. FL, locking force test. FH, opening force test. Now let's try FH, opening force test, and then click setup again. One means this term means number of tests. If we set 5 here, if we set 5, the tester will print out the report after 5 tests. It will show us the minimum value, the maximum value, the minimum value, and the average value. If we change it to 6, the tester will print out the report after 6 tests. The result includes also the maximum, minimum, and average values. Okay. The next setup. This is year 15 year. Setup again. Month, June. Day. This is day, 17th. This is hour, 14. This is minute, 5 minutes. This is second, non-second. Then 8. This 00 means Chinese. This is the language of the report. This is the language of the report. If we change it to 1, the report will print English. If we change it to 0, the report will print Chinese. Okay. Now let's set it 1. After then set up again none. This item is printer type. If we set 1, the tester will only print out the last group of the test. If we set it to 0, the tester will save all the tests and print out the results, the average or minimum, maximum of all the tests, all the existing tests. If we set it to 1, the test will only save the last group of the test and print out the average value of this group. Okay, of this group. After setting, we can press save. We can press save to save the parameters. Then we can press reset. After press save, we can press reset. Okay. This is a sample. Okay. We can install the file post in different hosts to adapt to different size of samples. Okay, now let's site click test and install this sample. Okay, locate. Sorry, reset again. Reset. Click after installing this sample, press test. Okay. Opening force test. Okay, now we can. Okay, open it. Open the cover. Now this is the result 1.098. Okay, remove it. Try again. Ignore it. Press test. You can see this second. This is second test, so this number changed to 2. Open. Okay, 1.392, 372. Sorry. Remove it. Install again. Click test. You can see this number changed to 3. Open. Okay, 0.926. Install again. Click test. We can only open the cover in one time. Slowly, we can't open it suddenly. We have to open it slowly. Okay, and 1.742. Remove it. Try again. Okay. This is the last test for this group 5, the 5th test. Open it. Okay, 1.379. You can press test again. Sorry. Okay. After all the tests, we can press test button. Then the printer will print out the result. Okay, this is the report. Test name, open test. Amount 6. Result, maximum 1.742. Minimum 0.271. Average 1.131. Okay. That's all for the operation.